So far, we understood the CrewAI concepts and built different agentic workflows. Now let's work on building a financial analysis multi-agentic framework using CrewAI. First, we are installing the CrewAI framework to build and orchestrate multi-agent AI applications. Next, we are installing the CrewAI tools package to extend agent capabilities with ready-to-use integrations and utilities. This is optional. We are disabling the warning messages to keep notebook output clean. Okay. Next, we are importing the core classes from CrewAI to build agents, tasks, and crews. After that, we are configuring the API keys and model settings for OpenAI and Serper services. Next, we are creating the tools. Serper dev tool for web search and scrape website tool for website content scraping. Okay. Next, we are creating the data analyst agent for market research and trend analysis. We define the data analyst with role, goal, and backstory. So the data analyst agent is responsible for monitoring and analyzing real-time market data. The agent uses web search and website scraping tools to gather information and applies analytical reasoning to identify trends and predict market movements. It is designed to support data-driven decision-making in trading or financial analysis workflows. Okay, you can try changing this prompt further as per your needs. Okay, after this, we are creating the trading strategy developer agent to design and evaluate trading strategies using market insights. So the trading strategy developer agent is responsible for designing, testing, and refining trading strategies based on insights from market data. And the agent uses web search and scraping tools to gather financial information and applies quantitative reasoning to evaluate strategy performance, optimize returns, and manage risk effectively. This is the prompt we gave. Okay. Next, we are creating a trade advisor agent to recommend optimal trade execution strategies. So the trade advisor agent is responsible for suggesting optimal trade execution plans based on approved trading strategies. It evaluates timing, pricing, and execution logistics to ensure trades are carried out efficiently and in alignment with the overall strategy. Same here, our agent uses web search and scraping tools for real-time decision making. Okay. Next, we are creating the risk advisor agent to evaluate trading risk and suggest safeguards. So this agent is responsible for analyzing and assessing risks associated with potential trading activities. It uses market data and external information sources to evaluate risk exposure, identify potential downsides, and recommend safeguards. And the agent ensures that all trading decisions align with predefined risk tolerance and financial safety guidelines. Okay. Next, let's define a task to analyze market data and identify trading insights. We know we define a CrewAI task with description, expected underscore output, and agent. So we created this data analysis task and assigned it to the data analyst agent. The task is to monitor and analyze market data for the selected stock. This stock underscore selection will be replaced with the actual stock name. It uses statistical modeling and machine learning techniques to detect trends, generate insights, and predict potential market movements. And the output provides alerts on key opportunities or risks related to the selected stock. Next, we are defining a task to develop trading strategies based on the market insights and risk tolerance. And the task is to develop and refine trading strategies using insights from the data analyst agent. It takes the user's risk tolerance and trading preferences to design suitable strategies for the selected stock. And the output is a set of well-defined trading strategies aligned with user goals and risk constraints. Okay. After that, we are creating this trade execution planning task. The task is to analyze the approved trading strategies and determine the best execution approach for the selected stock. It considers real-time market conditions, pricing, timing, and liquidity to generate optimized trade execution plans. And the output will have detailed recommendations on how and when to execute trades efficiently. Next, we are defining a risk assessment task to evaluate trading risks and suggest mitigation strategies. So the task is to evaluate the risks associated with proposed trading strategies and execution plans for the selected stock. And it focuses on identifying potential financial and market risks, assessing exposure, and recommending mitigation strategies. And the final output is a detailed risk analysis report with safeguards to support informed and secure trading decisions. So, with this, we created 4 agents and 4 tasks to complete the work. Okay. Next, we are installing LangChain's OpenAI package for connecting LLMs to LangChain workflows. And then we are importing CrewAI components and LangChain OpenAI chat model. Okay. Now, let's create a sequential CrewAI workflow with the agents and tasks we created for trading analysis. So we have data analysis, strategy development, trade execution planning, and risk assessment in a sequential process. Each agent handles a specific role and tasks are executed step by step to ensure structured decision making. And the manager underscore LLM is set to GPT-4 Omni to coordinate and manage the workflow efficiently. Okay. Next, let's provide input parameters for the financial trading workflow. This dictionary is the input to our workflow. We selected Apple stock, initial capital allocation, risk tolerance level, and preferred trading strategy as day trading. And it also includes a flag to consider news impact during decision making. So these inputs guide all our agents in generating data-driven analysis, strategy development, execution planning, and risk assessment. Okay, this is our test data. Okay, now let's run the CrewAI workflow asynchronously to generate trading insights. This kickoff underscore async method runs all agents and tasks in sequence, and we are storing the result here. Once we run, if you notice the execution log, you can see the data analyst agent started execution and it executed the assigned task and gave us the final answer. If we scroll down, you can see trading strategy developer executing the task. If we scroll down more, the trade advisor executed the task. And finally, risk advisor. Okay. Now let's format and display the final result in HTML for better readability. You can see we got the comprehensive risk analysis report for Apple stock trading strategies. You can see the complete trading analysis here, and it also gave us the final conclusion as well. Okay. So you can change the test data and experiment as per your trading needs, right? With this, we built a multi-agent AI trading system using CrewAI to analyze markets, generate trading strategies, plan executions, and assess risk in a structured workflow. Okay.